Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Cherry 4 Mac KC6000C keyboard. It's a full-size keyboard. Here's some details here on the back. They'll be in the description below, so you can pause it, read it now, or look in the description. But Cherry, as you know, is a famous brand for keys, keycaps, and keyboards. And this is for Mac. This is one of the first ones that I've received a test with a USB-C port cabling on the back. It's corded, so it's corded right in the middle. And they give you a pretty long cord, which is nice. This is the US layout version right there. And then we'll get close so you can hear the keys. So people who use Macs like a quieter key, and the travel on these keys is a lot less. I like that they're just ever so slightly indented. And you also have finger guides here, F and J. So that's nice as well. And then we also have, it's a full-size keyboard, so we have directional keys here, and we have function keys at the top, and then we have all of the number keys over here. So if you're doing a lot of calculations, this will help out. And you can tell that because it's for Mac, you have the command here. So that's the command button right there. So this is the Cherry KC6000C 4 Mac keyboard. Not a whole lot of travel, pretty good sound. It's pretty quiet though. It's not mechanical in the sense of how loud those are, but we like both types of keyboards, and this is USB-C corded. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up, and thank you for watching.